Hello to vFairs. I first learned about vFairs last year in March when I worked for the Lupus Foundation of America, and we had to turn an in-person conference into a virtual conference in only a week. And we turned to vFairs, and you helped us out. Fast forward to June of 2020, I took a new position in an organization, the American Academy of Forensic Sciences, and knew quickly that February 2021 would not be a live meeting. And so I was grateful to be able to reach out to vFairs and have our committee select vFairs to work with. Working with Aaliyah as our project manager was amazing. She's incredible, organized, detailed, and responsive. We really enjoyed Umar and Ala as well, and I know that there were many more people behind the scenes as we put together over 1,000 presentations, workshops, scientific sessions, poster sessions, and an exhibit hall. We continue to get wonderful feedback from our membership, and I'm just thankful to vFairs for your technology and for working with us to help us achieve something so terrific during a pandemic. So thank you so much. Looking forward to using you again soon. Bye-bye.